Get fit in pink. Train with us. Exercise routine. Arms. This routine is going to be level 1, ideal for beginners. The workout. In this arms workout, we are going to do a combination of triceps biceps. The arms are also very important in body harmony, and there is nothing nicer, as time goes by, that your arms have a nice shape, and for that we are going to do this routine. We want to take this opportunity to ask you, if you like this workout, to subscribe and give us a like. It makes us very excited. Kim is going to train with some dumbbells, but if you don't have some at hand, you can substitute them with some things that we have at home for sure. For example, a few bottles of water, a few packets of rice or vegetables, or a few cans of milk or juice. At the beginning it will not seem like much weight, but we will increase the level of intensity. For those of you who are more advanced and have weights or dumbbells, you can have 2 weights to combine, depending on the exercise and your training capacity. The routine consists of 2 sets, but you can repeat this workout twice to make 4 sets. If you can't do any of the exercises, you can substitute it for the one you are more comfortable with from the ones suggested in this routine. You should not force or take your body to the point of pain. If you feel any discomfort is the signal to stop. We will perform 10 repetitions of each exercise, always with each arm when they are alternating, and we will rest for 1 minute between sets. You can repeat this circuit 2 or 3 times a week. In this routine we will burn between 80 and 90 calories, but remember that this is only an estimate, because depending on the effort, we will burn more or less. We hope you like this workout. You must have previously warmed up. If not, we recommend this 5-minute warm-up. First exercise. Hammer curl alternating arms. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Incline rowing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hammer curl, but with arms together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Triceps extension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Biceps curl alternating arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back to incline rowing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Biceps curl arms together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Triceps extension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 minute pause. Breathe and drink some water. It is important to stay hydrated when we exercise. Think that every time you exercise, your whole body is oxygenated and your cells stop aging. There is nothing better for rejuvenation than moving and being happy. Let's go for another set. Hammer curl alternating arms. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Incline rowing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hammer curl, but with arms together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Triceps extension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Biceps curl alternating arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back to incline rowing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Biceps curl arms together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last exercise, triceps extension. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Good job. And that's it for this arm workout. You did great. And if you still have strength, you can repeat this routine or do another routine that we have in our channel. If so, give yourself 2 minutes of rest before starting again. Drink water, breathe, and go ahead. If you like our videos, you make us very happy. We love that you join us in all the exercises that we upload for you. And if you want to help us, you can do it by commenting and sharing these videos with your friends. You would be helping many people with it and us too. Every day there are more and more of us in this group of pink lovers. Thanks for watching.